Okay, after doing the intake manifold, I bought a ported manifold and installed it. Also rerouted the choke. The choke was bent and was out of alignment. It would not hook up real good there. Yeah, I had to fight pulling it. So this bracket over here was very hard to take out. More than 100 pounds of pressure was applied when it only needs 35 foot-pounds. And it's because aluminum with steel, according to the guy who did my tank. By the way, my tank is coming tomorrow. I saw it. It's pretty cool paint job. This is the intake little tubing that it was leaking before. I put in the new one. So what I'm going to try to do today is actually start it to see if there's no leaks in the intake manifold. Was very hard to get the bolts of the intake manifold to the engine because of the same thing. It just it freezes the bolts onto the surfaces of aluminum versus steel. The bolts are usually steel, the block is aluminum, and apparently that not a good combination. I applied anti-seize, which was really good. Recommendation. By the way, Home Depot didn't have anti-seize. Unbelievable. I had to go to an auto part. So let's see how it starts. I don't have the tank with me, so I'm going to just reroute a hose from the fuel pump to one of the gallons that have good gas, non-ethanol gas, and see how it goes.